Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about the quick action emails feature inside ClickFunnels 2.0. And this is specifically with the survey workflow app. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you're not already a ClickFunnels 2.0 user, make sure you go check out the description section to sign up. And there's also some really good other resources as well inside the description section. So what I want to do is I want to go inside the changelog and just review what this feature does. And the changelog is basically ClickFunnels' way to communicate to us new features or updates inside the software. So this is with the quick action emails, and it says effortless email sending with full workflow functionality. We made it easier than ever to send emails quickly while retaining all the robust features of workflow emails. With quick action emails, you can execute targeted email campaigns without building a full workflow, saving you time and effort. And then the key features and benefits: comprehensive functionality, enjoy the same tools and options available in workflow emails, now accessible in quick actions, faster campaign execution, send emails immediately without the need to construct a complete workflow, and then seamless integration, leverage this feature within your current setup for maximum efficiency. Simplify your email communication, get more done in less time. And so this is with, at least in this example right here, this video example, this is with the survey element. So that's what I'm going to do, is just walking you through that. So we're going to hop into my ClickFunnels 2.0 demo account and we're going to build this out. And this is the survey workflow builder. And so I have two questions right here. What is your favorite marketing topic? And then what is your favorite marketing book? And so to add these quick action emails, you'll just want to go over here to this plus icon. We'll click add action. And then we have this send email action right here. So we're going to click on that. And then, like it mentioned, you get full functionality of the email feature inside ClickFunnels 2.0. So you could either choose a template, you could choose previous emails. Maybe you have templates of your own. You could also click that as well. There's other categories like promotional, invitational, newsletter, and order confirmation. So there's that. What I'm going to do for purposes of this demo and walkthrough, I'm just going to click on this one right here, the classic email template 1. I'm going to click choose. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to populate this really quick. Okay, so I have this populated. So I'm just going to leave the name of what it is and the subject. I just put test, and then make sure you add the from address and the reply to address as well. So I'm going to click create. And so that's how you add that quick action for the email. Like it mentioned, you do have full functionality of the email, so you could customize the email to whatever it needs to be. But at least right here, as people are going through the survey, you could easily send out emails for that. So that's the quick action emails feature inside the ClickFunnels 2.0 software, and this is specifically for the survey workflow app. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below under this video, and love to help you out. And like I mentioned, my name is Austin Dorman. I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And thank you so much for watching this ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial.